Good morning, traders. Dale Sager with the Trader Boys. We're looking at this morning, and we've got the markets coming down just a little. Russell's leading the way up. Russell's leading the way down. Where we're going to get into some weakness here is into the Dow Jones Industrials. We've got the S&P down 0.8%, and we got the Nasdaq down just half. So the Nasdaq's experiencing as much weakness as the other markets are. Our big shakers yesterday are coming down today. You get Delta Airlines and kind of cruise lines and so on there. Oil is down 23 cents. It was down earlier quite a bit more. So oil's actually hit a little demand level. Jump over to the charts here real quick. We've got the S&P over here. S&P is basically doing everything we wanted it to do. It came right up into our supply level here. So this is the supply level that we identified yesterday. This was coming off the 4-hour chart. So very strong supply level. There's that supply zone right here. Markets come right up, hit its head on there yesterday. In the overnight transactions, we're just coming off there now. So it is hitting this little area of demand right here. So there's some buyers here. So look for the S&P. Now, ideally what we should see is the S&P come down for a couple days. So look for the rise back up, okay? And then see if we can't get the fall. Just to retrace for a couple days. So there's obviously a nice area of demand right in here, and another one just down in here, right? And then we get these ones down here identified already. So that's the S&P. This is on the Russell. Russell's got this little area of buying right here. It's been here multiple times through the overnight. This will be now weak. It's going to be very easy for this to be broken. There is a level of demand just below there. There's going to be a nice, solid, strong move away there. On the Nasdaq did exactly what we thought it was going to do yesterday. We identified this little demand zone during our session here in the video in Trader Boys, right down into that demand level. We identified the low of the trading session for the day, and then nice strong move all the way up to the 9900 level. So this is the new all-time high for the Nasdaq. You can see the Nasdaq here is doing the same thing, come down this little area of demand, right, and look at it come up. So there's a little area of supply right in here. Right, this is on the 15-minute time frame, so 15-minute levels aren't that strong, but this may provide a turning point. Ideally, you're really looking into this area up the top here. Right, there's a level on top of a level on top of a level up here of supply. So this may hold, and we get the reversal to the downside. A little demand here, and then obviously still some demand left here until we get down to this level here. Right. If we jump over, we look at Apple. Apple is just a new all-time high. Not too much to talk about there. Not too much going on. This is the oil markets. Right? Oil has just hit this little level of demand on the 1-hour time frame. What I'll be looking for oil is, again, we're looking for a multi-day retracement, meaning a couple days down on the market for the days, and come up into this area here potentially. This is a little supply level here. We've hit that already twice. That's what created the fall. It may want to come up higher into this level up top here, right, before we actually get that retracement. So just to shake out the people that are already short, shake them out of the market, and then make the fall. The markets like to inflict as much pain as possible. Here's the gold market. Gold's doing pretty much what we said it would do yesterday. It's come down into this little area of buying here. It is now pushing up. This is on the daily chart here. So yesterday was up. This is today's move up. We've got some little areas of supply just above us, right? But we are range bound. I choose to stay away from range bound markets, even though this is a 100-point range, right? Until it breaks either up here or breaks down here. We tend to leave that alone. But you trade your rules. That's a wrap for today. Dale Sager, Trader Boys. Have a phenomenal trading day. Just remember, we got the Fed announcement at 2 p.m. tomorrow. So tomorrow, markets may be a little quiet. These are days that are great days to go out and enjoy the sunshine and have a good time.